Hello viewers. Are you looking for the best 4K mirror dash cams in 2024? Here are my full reviews of the best 4K mirror dash cams in 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. 10-inch 4K 3840*2160p Wi-Fi GPS car DVR mirror dashcam dual lens dashcam drive recorder stream RearView mirror IPS screen camera. Introducing our cutting-edge 10-inch 4K 3840x2160p Wi-Fi GPS car DVR mirror dashcam. This dual lens dashcam revolutionizes your driving experience, offering crisp 4K resolution for superior clarity. Its innovative design seamlessly integrates into your rearview mirror, featuring an IPS screen for optimal viewing angles. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily share footage and track your journey. Safeguard your drives with the ultimate in-car recording solution. Experience the future of automotive safety with our dual-lens dashcam drive recorder. Number 2. Asome M550 4K Wi-Fi 3-channel on dashcam. Dual front and rear for car. Capture every moment on the road with the Asome M550 4K Wi-Fi 3-channel on dashcam, equipped with dual front and rear cameras. Featuring stunning 4K resolution. It ensures crystal clear footage for both day and night driving. With its wide-angle lenses, the M550 provides comprehensive coverage, capturing every detail of your journey. The built-in Wi-Fi capability allows you to easily transfer and share footage from your smartphone. Its seamless loop recording ensures continuous recording without missing any crucial moments. Additionally, the G sensor technology automatically detects and locks footage in the event of a collision, providing invaluable evidence for insurance claims. Easy to install and use, the Asome M550 offers peace of mind and security for every drive. Experience unmatched reliability and clarity with this advanced on-dash camera system. Number 3. KQQ 4K mirror dash cam with external GPS ADAS collision avoidance BSD detection support 24H parking monitor night vision. Experience enhanced safety and security on the road with the KQQ 4K mirror dash cam featuring external GPS, ADAS collision avoidance, and BSD detection. This advanced dash cam ensures crystal clear 4K resolution recording, providing detailed footage of your journeys. With its external GPS module, you can accurately track your driving route and speed, adding an extra layer of accountability. The Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS technology helps prevent accidents by providing real-time alerts for lane departure and potential collisions. Additionally, blind spot detection, BSD support further enhances awareness, reducing the risk of accidents caused by unseen vehicles. Equipped with a 24-hour parking monitor, this dash cam ensures continuous surveillance of your vehicle even when parked, offering peace of mind against theft and vandalism. Its enhanced night vision capabilities guarantee clear footage in low light conditions, providing comprehensive coverage round the clock. Drive confidently knowing that the KQQ 4K mirror dash cam has your back on every journey. Number 4. Wolfbox G9 34K car DVR dual lens mirror camera dash cam car black box support GPS 24H parking view touchscreen video recorder. The Wolfbox G9 34K car DVR dual lens mirror camera dash cam is your ultimate companion on the road, offering unparalleled safety and security features. With its dual lens design, it captures high-definition footage both in front of and behind your vehicle, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Equipped with GPS support, it accurately tracks your location and speed for added convenience and accountability. The 24-hour parking view function provides continuous monitoring, safeguarding your vehicle even when parked. Its sleek touchscreen interface offers easy navigation and control, enhancing user experience. Additionally, the video recorder functionality ensures that every moment on the road is captured with clarity and precision. Whether you're a cautious driver looking to enhance safety or simply want to record your memorable journeys in stunning 4K resolution, the Wolfbox G9 30 is the perfect choice. Invest in peace of mind with this advanced car black box technology. Number 5. Jansite 11.26-inch 4K front plus 2.5K rear cam video recorder car DVR mirror camera registrar GPS track rear cam HDR loop recording. Introducing the Jansite 11.26-inch 4K front plus 2.5K rear cam video recorder car DVR mirror camera registrar GPS track rear cam HDR loop recording. This innovative car accessory redefines your driving experience with cutting-edge technology. Capture crystal clear footage with its 4K front camera and 2.5K rear camera, ensuring you never miss a detail on the road. The built-in GPS tracker allows for precise location monitoring, enhancing your safety and navigation. With HDR technology, every video is rendered with optimal clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Enjoy seamless recording with loop recording functionality, ensuring uninterrupted coverage of your journeys. The sleek mirror design seamlessly integrates into your vehicle, providing a discreet yet powerful surveillance solution. Upgrade your driving safety and convenience with the Jansite 11.26-inch car DVR mirror camera, your reliable companion on every drive.